welcome back to my channel. My name's Andrea and I have honestly not filmed a video in a very long time, and I really took a break from doing YouTube and social media in general. I was going through a lot in these past few months and I just decided to take some time off and work on myself, and I can definitely say that I have improved and I am at a pretty great mental space right now to be able to jump back into where I was. Basically in today's video I'm just going to be showing how I make my glosses, and this was a wholesale order, and I do wholesale orders. I will have the pricing somewhere on the screen. You know, you should definitely go check it out if you want to start your own business, or if you just want a ton of lip gloss for some apparent reason. I definitely do a good job on that. And I do also make labels if you are needing that, and that can come in handy. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first product I'm going to start off with is the TKB lip gloss base. I personally get mine from Amazon. I'm going to just put a fair amount inside the bowl. And then I'm going to be taking my coconut oil and adding about 2 full pipettes amount of oil into the mixture. And then I'm just going to mix up the lip gloss base with the oil until I get the perfect consistency. Next, I will be taking my flavoring oil, and I use the Loran's flavoring oil, and this is the scent pineapple. I only add just a little bit until the smell is consistent throughout the whole mixture. Now I'm going to be taking my mica powder in the shade Pearl White and adding it to the mixture and slowly stirring this in, because it can be quite messy if you do it too fast. Now I'm going to be taking my syringe and filling it up with product to put inside the squeeze tubes. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is honestly the most satisfying part, finally filling up the squeeze tubes. Now that one is complete, I'm just going to be filming me filling up a few more until I finish. Now, after all of that is complete, I'm just going to be putting on the stopper onto all of the glosses. Then I'll be adding on the tops to all of the glosses, and once I finish this, I will sanitize them by washing them. You always want to make sure you wash your glosses after you make them because it can become very slippery and a little bit of tackiness on the outside, and you always want to make sure that they are clean and ready to go. And that's all I have for today's video. I hope y'all enjoy and definitely support my small business. The link will be in my bio. I will see y'all next time.